Difficult to do pistol squats? Here are 3 ways to help you progress in pistol squats. The first and very important step is deep squats. For the pistol squats, we need great ankle mobility, and for that you have to practice deep squats. Once you are good, then only move to the second step. For this, you'll be needing heighted chair and stool. Try to sit on it with lifting leg up and slowly decrease the height of the object. This will increase the range of motion. Make sure to practice on both the sides. For the third step, we go assisted pistol squats. Here I am using a door frame. With the help of it, you go down and come up. Besides this, there are 2 more exercises which you can practice to strengthen your leg muscle, which will help you to keep your leg lifted while doing the pistol squats. For sets and repetition, do check the caption.